All right, guys. So today we're eating pizza. Don't mind the dogs. We're in the backyard. We got Meat Lovers pizza right here.
With the slice missing?
The slice missing because my grandpa took some. And pepperoni pizza right here.
With the slice.
So honestly, like this is gonna have to like show throughout the whole video. It has to.
Okay.
Is that all right?
That's perfect.
And then we got wings right here.
Would you like to say it? And eat like a civilized human.
Hell no, we don't eat like civilized humans around here. I don't know, on my channel. Not on the Steven Sushi channel. Alright guys, so this is my cousin Gabe. Gabriel. And we're gonna tear it up. We got Ken's Ranch. There's no cussing in my channel, alright?
Alright, I'm trying to. That's why do you think I'm so quiet?
Alright, thank you, Father God. Lord, bless us, Lord, please bless us without. In Jesus' name, amen. Oh! My God.
Damn.
Remember back in school? So guys, me and him, we grew up together. We went to every single school together.
Except, did you go to Summit too?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
We did go to every school together. That's crazy. I don't think I'm a little too happy over food.
Who? My first time trying Red's hot, extra hot. First time trying it. The extra hot. You gotta show them everything that you're doing. I'm gonna teach you how to mukbang, right?
So, what am I supposed to say? I like putting
Ranch with yours.
ranch with my hot sauce
Mm-hmm.
because it makes it delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Simple as that. You gotta mix
Got
it.
wings too.
Thank you. Got this right here.
Mm. Damn. Mmm.
This is. Yeah. This is delicious.
It's bomb.
Yes, it is.
What?
Nothing.
What? What happened?
Nothing.
Oh. Hiding the wings. Guys, there's dogs right there. They're fighting over the piece of bone I gave them. Chicken bone. Yo, this extra hot one is fire. I've never tried the Red's Hot Extra Hot.
You get red sauce, you can't go wrong.
Yeah, true. Isn't there a commercial? I put that on everything. And then like the aliens, like even on human beings. He's like everything.
No.
You know?
I don't know.
Yeah.
But that sounds like a good idea for a commercial.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put that shit on everything. Yeah.
Ooh. Guys, so I grew up in this background. I mean, in this backyard. We both grew up in the backyard. So much stuff has went down here. A firecracker hit me on my side. My cousin, he lit this. What was it called? The skyrocket or something?
Butter rocket?
Bottle rocket?
Yes.
And that thing went BAM! Hit me right on the side, and I still have a
Jerry?
scar. Yeah, but it didn't pop because I moved. But just like the speed of it hit me, and I got like a big cut and a big burn.
In the shape of a pea. Remember?
Was it?
Hmm. Remember your mom said, "Pee for peeving."
Oh, peeving. You remember that?
Yep. I remember that.
Who has the best pizza?
What are the...
Domino's, Papa John's, Pizza Hut.
I haven't tried Papa John's, so I...
And Little Caesars. I know your ass has tried Little Caesars.
Yeah, of course I have. I mean, come on.
But you can't beat a $5 box, huh?
Exactly. Exactly. But even at then, I mean, Domino's is really good. Their like their thin crust and stuff like that. Their new whatever it's called, new pizza is really good. But no, Pizza Hut's above.
Really?
Yeah, neck and shoulders above.
Neck and shoulders above.
Head and shoulders above. You know, you might have to trademark. That's why I didn't say that.
So how's your life? What?
I'm going home.
You're going home? This is your home. Guys, so yeah, so how is your life? You gotta. This is the start of it all.
My life is.
This is where we're gonna get most of the audience.
My life is complicated at this point.
Guys, I told him that his life needs some sort of show. If there's something always going on in somebody's life, it's your life. But honestly, I think that it's like, I'm only saying that you need your own show because I think that it'll be good for you.
No, it's just chaotic, but it's not chaotic. But
so guys, he's starting his YouTube channel. I told him that he should do it. Here, you want the last 2 wings?
oh yeah.
Do you want that sauce too?
No. Thank you. But yeah, no. My life is chaotic, but it's getting better.
Yeah.
It's always getting better. Till it gets worse, but then it gets better than it was before. So, I can't complain. I mean,
guys, this red's hot though on this pizza.
but yeah, no, this is delicious.
Are these wings bomb?
Oh yeah, delicious. Look at the way that they're a little bit sweet.
Yeah.
A little sweet and spicy.
So what do you want to talk about? So what do you think about us doing that thing for your a YouTube?
I mean, I'm more than willing. I just
Don't know where to start?
exactly. That's why I need your help right there when it comes to that.
That's why you got a bomb ass cousin who knows what he's doing. Memories. So if y'all want to go subscribe to my cousin's channel, the link is down in the description. Honestly though, the content will be coming soon. I'm gonna push him. It's easy.
You can push me all you want. I like it. I'm just playing. I don't really know how to push that joke. But it is what it is. I love my cousin right here since we're little kids.
Damn. Yeah, that's crazy.
Since he used to bully me and take my stuff off and throw it in mud.
Guys, he's lying.
Football games and...
I remember there was this one time he was trying to chase me around the house, and I was locked behind the front door. I was locked in a corner. I forgot what I said. I think it said something about his mom. And then, bam, straight to the face. A sock straight to the face. Do you remember that? And he was fat back then, but not anymore.
You deserve that.
Do you remember what I said?
You called her Ursula.
I called I called his mom Ursula.
I won't forget that.
See, if you're watching this, that was back then. That was like 15 years ago.
Ooh. Ooh.
What?
This heavy pizza.
Is it?
Yeah.
Or you feel like you just want to knock out now? Damn, that is pretty clear, huh?
Yeah. That's a good camera.
Yeah. Guys, so I had to switch to my phone because my camera was dying. I was vlogging all day. Damn, fellas. Okay. I'm the one who's talking, huh?
I know, motherfucker. I know I'm not supposed to be cussing, but...
Oh. I'll call it out.
But you opened up the...
Can of worms?
Mm-hmm. You opened up the can of worms called can of whoop ass.
Remember Pumpkinhead?
Yeah. Remember when your dad fucking snatched me up?
Yeah. Guys, so there was this time where we had some quads too. He drove the smallest quad because he didn't know how to drive quads, and he drove that shit straight into a bush. And he was like, did you get pricked with anything?
My ego got pricked.
Your what?
My ego.
Oh, your ego.
My sense of pride.
He got straight pricked by a big ass bush. How many more can you eat right now?
One.
I'm done. You wanna move these over there so you have like a pizza for later?
You don't want this?
I don't eat leftovers.
Ugh.
There you go. Got a big ass pizza for later.
Fudge.
Is that a lot of food? Like,
Yes,
wait,
sir.
if you think about it, if that's basically one slice, does that mean that we only ate one box for everybody? Hey guys, this pizza is so filling, but hey, at least you got a whole box of pizza for later, you guys. So if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Honestly, this video was like fun, chill, and this is something out of my comfort zone. We used to climb this little satellite back here when we were smaller, when we weren't so freaking fat. But now if we try to do it,
Yeah.
that shit will go.
We'd fall right through.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see Gabe again on my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys. Oh, if you guys want to see a challenge, honestly, I'm really down to do a challenge. All right, guys, so if you guys want to see some sort of challenge, comment down below what challenge you guys want to see. Also, link down in the description. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, all right? Peace.